Hey guys, I'm going to talk to you about the Warrior XPro flashlight. It's made by Olight. As a self-proclaimed lover of the lumen, I have a flashlight in every room of my house, from my kitchen to my workshop to my bedroom nightstand, the bathroom, you name it, I've got lights. Out in my trailer, my truck, and even in my tool bags. You get the point? So I recently got a chance to review the newly redesigned Warrior XPro flashlight. And this is from Olight. The older version was the Warrior X. So what's new on this Warrior XPro? Well, first of all, this weighs about 8.43 ounces, and it can put out to 2,250 lumen, 600 meters out. That's far. Olight updated the battery in this bad boy, and they're now using 21700 lithium-ion batteries. If you don't know what those are, they're the battery cells that we're using in all of our brand new cordless tools, the updated ones. And that's nice. That's a powerful battery. It's going to give you faster charging. The tactical tail switch was redesigned as a stronger magnet, more aggressive knurling on the grip. And that just means that you're going to be able to activate the light and grip the light better. Now, the Warrior XPro uses a 20-inch long 2-amp magnetic USB charging cable. It's been redesigned to charge 100 times faster than the Warrior X. I'm pretty sure that's part of the battery technology as well. Now, when the battery gets low, the flashlight's vibration battery indicator will vibrate, and that lets you know that you have about 23 minutes left of runtime on the light. That's just a good indicator for you. During charging, the magnetic portion of the cord glows red while charging and green when fully charged. Personally, I kind of feel like the charging light is a little bit dim, and I wish it was a little bit brighter so you could see it in the car and in daylight. The battery takes about 5.5 hours to fully charge. One thing I'd like to see Olight improve on is the charge cord. I'd like to see it a little bit longer, and also I'd like to see it come with a charging block, so you can plug it into a wall receptacle. That's on you right now. They don't do that. Honestly, I think for the price, they should throw in a brick. Now, the flashlight body, it's durable. Impact resistant, it's lightweight aluminum casing. It's going to resist rust, corrosion. They test these things and rate these with ANSI FL1 standards. And the Warrior, the Pro, features a durable LED bezel and rubberized O-ring construction. The light is designed for a 3-meter drop on hard surfaces and has an IPX rating. IPX8 rating means waterproof, suitable for continuous immersion up to 2 meters. You can put this thing underwater. As far as the light pattern, the Warrior XPro flashlight gives off a pretty powerful spotlight with this perimeter halo light. It has a 2-position quick cycle switch, which allows you just to select between low and high output. The flashlight emits a consistent neutral white light. And like I said, both in that spot and halo pattern at the same time. The light pattern is excellent. There's no dark rings or imperfections. It's funny. I think about this light, it's tactical light. Law enforcement folks are going to love this for officer safety features. And you think about it, you can place a super bright light on a suspect's eyes while the halo, lights up their feet, their hands. You can see where their hands are and stuff like that. So it disorients them in their eyes, but you can see their hands. On building searches, the spotlight illuminates whatever their area of focus is up to 600 meters out, while that halo kind of opens up and lights up that peripheral area. Best of both worlds. And we want to keep our officers safe. The Warrior XPro will run 8 hours on low. I never run flashlights on low. It's going to give you 100 minutes on high. One of my 3 wishes in the world would be to see this runtime on high improved. So I'm going to have to talk to the genie about that one. The light's carrying case has a magnetic flap and a belt hook and also a MOLLE attachment system. And it comes with a tactical ring and a lanyard option as well as a belt clip. And I chose to use the tactical ring. It's much more comfortable to use. Let's talk about cost. So the XPro sells online for about $97. Olight has a limited edition sale right now. You can get the XPro and their i5X EOS mini flashlight, which is awesome. It's like a $65 bundle value, and you can get it for $101. This thing has a low high. It's like 300 lumen at 60 meter throw. It's a 20-hour runtime and it's powered on a AA battery. It's pretty good. I'm going to put a link to the sale deal down in the description below for you guys. Check it out. Okay, final thoughts on this flashlight. The XPro offers excellent performance at a reasonable cost, and if you jump on this bundle deal, that changes to an exceptional cost value. I've been using the Warrior XPro flashlight for about a month now. I'm pleased with the size, the weight, and the performance of this light. Everyone who's seen this light on the job site comments either the quality of the beam, how bright it is, and they like the halo effect, and how long the throw is on the light. So guys, that's it for my review. We'll see you next time here at Toolbox Buzz. Please stay safe, stay healthy, take care.